Hi guys, this is Dr. Pramjot Kaur. I hope that you guys are doing well and I really hope that you're holding on to it somehow. I understand that it must be getting a bit difficult, but we are all stubborn and we're gonna get this together, right? So in this video, I will be covering about how and why I chose live classes as my primary source. So before I come on to the main point, I want to tell you that whatever source that you're following, be it textbooks, be it any app, be it anything that you're following, you just need to be confident in what you're reading. Okay, you just need to put in all of your faith and you have to have the mentality कि मेरा जो भी होगा, मेरा जो भी निकलेगा इसी से ही निकलेगा. ठीक है. So all sources are equally good. You just need to be confident and have faith in your own source. Okay, so this is the first important thing that I wanted to let you know. Now coming to why I chose Cerebellum. So I chose Cerebellum because of the feature of live classes. Now I knew that I was starting from a rank of 87,000 and I need to get my concepts right and I need to do a lot of hard work to get a decent rank. Now how did live classes help me come till here? So first things first, the tagline in itself of Mission Program is your course completion is our responsibility, and they really stand by it. You know, you can totally leave up the responsibility of your course completion onto them. And sometimes we tend to be perfectionists. What we tend to do is we give a lot of time to one subject and later we come to realize that we have very little time left for the other subjects to cover up. So that doesn't happen because you have a proper schedule, you have proper number of days allotted for each and every subject, right? And you just need to follow it so that you don't fall in the trap of giving in too much time for extensive subjects like medicine, surgery. So you will know कि मुझे इतने time में इतना करना है. ठीक है, you will have that mental timeline, you will have that mental framework that in these many days I need to cover this much, right? So that is one important thing. Coming to the second point that you also might have realized by now, that whenever you go and listen to a recorded lecture of maybe say an hour, even at 1.5x or at 2x, you will be taking double the time to complete that. Okay, but with the help of live lectures, this issue is very well taken care of. A 3-hour lecture will get completed in 3 hours no matter what. You don't have to go back tomorrow to the recorded version and see it at 1.5x, 2x and still take almost the whole day to complete it, right? So that is one thing that is taken care of. And now coming to chances of getting distracted. Now, a lot of students ask me that, ma'am, when I'm reading, I get distracted easily. The concentration is not very good. So for them, I would really suggest you to attend these classes. Why? Because the teacher, when you attend a class, the teacher over there, the faculty over there is trying his or her best to make you understand those concepts. And the students around you are answering so good in the chat box. They are, that you always, tend to be on your toes to understand what the teacher is trying to say and try to be interactive, try to be active in the in the live chat box. Okay, so that actually helps in retaining things better. Okay, now coming to the next point. So whatever doubt you come across or maybe you're not able to understand some concept, you can put that then and there in the live chat box. The students only will try to help you out first, and even the faculties, they're trying their best to read your doubts and to solve them. Okay, so this thing really helped me a lot. And the beauty of the live classes, the students, they're always trying to put in the extra information that they know in the live chat box. Even for you, if you know some extra thing regarding that topic, regarding that particular thing that the teacher is teaching, you can put that out in the chat box for everybody to know. And it happened with me so much कि कुछ क्वेश्चन ऐसे दिखते थे जो मुझे फैकल्टी से ज़्यादा मुझे स्टूडेंट की याद आती थी कि हाँ यार, उसने लिखा था चैट बॉक्स में. ठीक है, तो दैट इंटरैक्टिव थिंग, इफ़ यू आर एक्टिव इन द क्लास एंड इफ यू आर बीइंग इंटरैक्टिव, it will really give you an edge. Okay, so and when you're sitting for the live class every day, you will make friends, you will get to know people, so it will make you feel a bit less lonely, because we all know that this journey is a bit lonely and a bit depressing. So when you come and sit for the live class every day, you make new friends and you see that everybody is in the same boat. हर कोई परेशान है इस फेस से, everybody is just trying to get out somehow. So there is then that sense of connection, that sense of belongingness कि हाँ यार, मेरे जैसे और भी तो लोग हैं. So that brings down the stress a bit. And for for me it helped me a lot. मतलब I have told this before, I'm a very anxious person. जब भी मेरी ऐसे anxiety peak होती थी या whenever I used to get anxious, I used to go and join any live class that was going on, be it FMG, be it anything. मैं जाके बैठ जाती थी live class में, क्योंकि उस टाइम पे मैं यही सुन लेती थी कि यार टीचर क्या बोलना चाह रहे हैं, ठीक है, what the faculty is trying to teach. So that used to help me tone down my anxiety a lot, क्योंकि उस टाइम पे you're not thinking about any other thing, but you're just trying to listen to what the teacher is trying to say, right? So that, you know, actually helped me in toning down my anxiety. And one other thing that you know, that is very good about live classes is personal interaction. The teachers, you know, they tend to tell you their personal experiences. वो आपके सर पे डंडा रखेंगे to make you read, okay? They're always there to motivate you, and you know, they will tell you their own personal experiences. They will put those fun elements in between so that it doesn't get very boring. So you know, it's a very beautiful thing of connection, I would say, and I really could feel connected to each and every teacher of Cerebellum. So that is how you know, that sense of belongingness came in, and that is what motivated me to come and sit for live classes each and every day, okay? So it's actually pretty fun also. At some point of time it will no more be a burden to you, but it'll be fun to see your friends, to make jokes in between ऐसे live मुझे याद है ऐसे बीच में जब बोर हो जाते थे तो लाइव क्लास में ऐसे बकायदी करना शुरू कर देते थे हम, ठीक है? तो you know, it's actually a very good experience to have, okay? Now coming to very important thing, that you know, with the help of live classes you get to know the important PYTs, and you get to know the important PYQs, and you get to know the important information that you need to filter out for your revision, okay? Now coming to how did my day look like using the live classes. So what I used to do was, for example, I've been given 7 days for surgery. So in the evening I used to sit for the live class, and along with it I used to follow the main notes that I had ordered. So this is the main notes book for surgery, and whatever point that sir used to tell is important, or whatever PYT that he used to stress upon, I used to highlight that, and I used to annotate stuff in my main notes only, okay? And later on what I did was I integrated all of this, basically the important PYTs, the important concepts, with my BTR. That was my revision source. So I've already covered about BTR in my previous video, you can go and check that out, right? So that is how I integrated my live lectures with my primary source. That was my main notes, okay? Now how did my next day morning look like? So what I used to do the next day morning, I used to revisit the PDF that was given beneath the video, and I just used to brush up the whole thing, okay? Jaldi. So one important thing that I want to tell you is, please don't get overwhelmed by the amount of information that you're getting in those 6 to 7 hours. So for example, you sit for the live class at 5:30 p.m. and it goes on till 11-12. So that is around like 7 to 8 hours of lecture, right? You cannot retain 100% of it. You just cannot. It is impossible for a human brain to retain 6 to 7 hours of information in just one go. That is why we say that revisions are very important, okay? So what I used to do was, the next day I just used to brush up the PDF, and I never used to make notes, because what happens is, when you try to annotate each and everything that the faculty is saying, then you get burnt out and exhausted very easily. So if you are a person who can annotate everything, and you know, who is able to annotate along with the live classes, then that's perfect. But for me, I didn't used to annotate along with the live classes. What I used to do was, I used to highlight the important things and write down important things in my main notes only, and later on I integrated the filtered out information with BTR. So also you know, with live classes you get to know the important PYTs, you get to know the high yield stuff that you really need to revise before you go and sit for the exam. So filtering out the information gets really easy with the help of these live classes, okay? So that is how I went about. And you know, the next day, as I told that I used to brush up the PDF, also I used to solve the PYQs, and I used to take out some time for BTR to do, okay? So obviously in the first read I was not able to do BTR along with it, and I was not able to do a lot of questions, but from my second read onwards I could take out time for BTR, and I could you know, solve PYQs and revise my previous test questions in between, right? So that is how I went about with my live lectures, and integrating with my primary source, my main notes, okay? Now about retention, as I've already told, that 100% retention is not possible. Okay, you just need to trust your brain a bit कि यार जो हम पढ़ रहे हैं वो कहीं ना कहीं हमको बाद में याद आ जाएगा, because it's an MCQ based test. You are going to have those 4 options in front of you. Trust your brain this much that you will be able to rule out the other 3 options and you will be able to reach to that one option. Okay, because those, all the information that we read in this journey gets wired up in our brain somewhere. Okay, it's not a subjective test that you need to take it out and then apply it, but you will be amazed by the fact on the day of the exam that your brain is able to retrieve so much information on itself. Okay, so have a bit of trust and faith in your brain that your brain will be able to remember stuff. Okay, I'm not talking about 100% retention, but most of it, yes. So you don't need to stress yourself too much onto annotating each and everything that you're being told in the live class. Take it easy. बीच बीच में जोन आउट हो जा रहे हो, कोई बात नहीं. आधे घंटे नहीं समझ में आ रहा है, कोई बात नहीं, बट प्लीज डोंट लीव इट. ओके, गेट बैक एट इट वेन एवर यू फील बेटर. ओके, you have to get back at it. Okay, so that is the important thing that I want to tell. Also, when you're done with the first cycle of reading, then the most important thing about live class is that you will get multiple cycles of it. Okay, after you're done with the first cycle, you'll automatically get provided with the schedule of the revision of the second cycle. Okay, so that will obviously be obviously the number of days will be lesser than the first cycle. Okay, so that helps you in doing revision very efficiently and in less number of time. Again, you will have the schedule कि मुझे इतने दिन में सर्जरी करनी है, इतने दिन में मेरा मेडिसिन हो जा रहा है, इतने दिन में पैथ खत्म करनी है. सो यू विल हैव द होल मेंटल फ्रेमवर्क कि इतने दिन में इतना करना है और मेरा उसमें उतने दिन में इतना रिविजन हो जाना चाहिए. ठीक है, सो दैट इज हाउ लाइव क्लासेस हेल्प मी मेंटेन द ट्रैक. ओके, बी इट रिविजन्स, बी इट द लास्ट मंथ मैराथन, I will talk about marathon also, be it the revision cycles. Okay, be it anything. Okay, live classes give you all of it. The schedule that you want, the content that you want, the high yield topics that you want to that you want to revise in the end. So you have all of it through live classes. Okay, now coming to marathon. So yes, I did attend all the marathons before the exam. So what marathon is, so basically it's a 7 to 10 day thing where all the subjects, you get brushed up on all the important stuff from all the 19 subjects. So that is amazing. Okay, like each and every faculty will come and each day you will have proper divided time for every subject. Ki from 9 to 1 there will be PSM, then from 2 to, then you'll have a 1 hour break in between, and then from 2 to 8 it'll be forensic. Okay, so like that. So in 7 to 10 days, basically all of your 19 subjects get covered up, all the important things that you really need to know before you go and sit for the exam. Okay, so yes, I did attend all the marathons, and last month END I still remember the last month END marathon when our exam got postponed, and it really helped in covering up all the important and volatile PYQs and questions through those marathon classes and through those END sessions. So yeah, so that is all that I wanted to cover about live classes. Now towards the end, I just want to tell you that if today is tough, tomorrow will be easier. Okay, I just don't want you to lose hope. Whatever the circumstance is right now, I just want you to get back up and get back at it, because whenever you are back at it, you will get back stronger. Okay, please try to open up your books every day, and if today you're not able to do it, it's okay. Just wait for tomorrow to come, and tomorrow will be kind. Okay, if life is not kind to us today, it will be kind to us tomorrow. So I really don't want you to lose any kind of hope, and just reading, keep doing it. And again, you got this, go get that, it's yours. Okay, it's yours to have, and just nothing can stop you from coming till here if you are just persistent at it. Okay, universe falls in love with a stubborn heart, and you need to be stubborn, right? So that is how I want to end this video. And all the very best to you. You know the drill. Whatever doubt comes to your mind, you got to put that up in the comment section. I will try to answer them all, and I'll be happy to answer your doubts. And if you want to reach me out, you can reach me out on my Instagram handle, that is Dr_Brahmjot_Kaur. So happy learning. Read with a smile on your face again, and खुश रहो यार, ठीक है. अभी आगे बहुत लंबी जर्नी है और भी बहुत कुछ करना है हमें लाइफ में, ठीक है. डोंट लूज होप, जस्ट कीप एट इट, कीप डूइंग इट, यू गॉट दिस. बाय, ऑल द बेस्ट.